Teens need a coping kit today. One like this. An emotion wheel that puts words to feelings when you don't have the words. A resource card, because we all need help sometimes. A fidget. A little notebook to put by your bedside to capture any thoughts that are keeping you up before bed. Play-Doh. Index cards to write down people who make you feel like you matter and different things you do to cope when you need to. Some coloring tools. A little lavender sachet to help you sleep. And a gratitude journal, because we know that being thankful for what you have, even when you're feeling stressed, sad, tired, or worried, can help you feel better. Here's to coping well.